So this is EURJPY Analysis for Tuesday 17th of October. Now, let's look what's happened in the market. I've mentioned previously 131.70 is an area I'll be looking at as marked out with the red horizontal line. And as we've seen with price action here on the which happened on the 16th, it pretty much highlights the importance of having your levels marked out on the chart and also doing your homework in regards to these markets. Now, prices have come down and tested 31.70 and has immediately been bought back up. We've seen a over 50 pip bounce off that level. So we did find support in around the 31.70 region. Now we do appear to be reacting to this 50 period moving average. It's likely we are possibly putting in a lower high, but due to the strong buy momentum of the 31.70 level, we could potentially see a bull flag form here, as long as prices do remain above 32.02. We currently have got the 20 period moving average down there as well, which will likely add for a possible bounce to 32.50. 200 period moving average. We've also got the high time frame moving average there at 32.61. So they're within 10 of each other, which could be a very difficult region to breach, because just above us, let's just see where we are. So we've got the 50 period at 32, the 200 period at 50, and the higher time frame at 30. The high time frame at 32.61. So there does appear to be a lot of resistance above us, all the way up to 32.83. So if we do get a bit of a pullback and we do see a bull flag form for a continuation pattern, a strong candle like say this candle, which was closed, which opened on at 7 p.m. on the 16th. If we do see a candle like that after a retracement, could interpret as a bull flag continuation pattern to the upside, and a move to test 32.83 and 33.45 would be our next upside targets, these being weekly pivots. We will be aware of the 200 period and this high time frame moving average here in black as possible being resistance areas. Now if we do instead sell off from this 50 period moving average, we do not respect the 32.02 level, go on to another retest of 31.70. What I found in the past is when a horizontal support or resistance area is tested repeatedly, it usually breaks to whatever side it is being tested from. So in this case, the 31.70 will be tested from above. So a break below 31.70 would be the next likely outcome. A break below 31.70 would see us target 30.60, below which we've got 29.45. We're unlikely to get down to 29.45. We are currently at 32. We're unlikely to get down to 29.45 within the next day. So our focus would remain 30.60 in the short to medium term. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. Let's just see, and let's just get the scale on here correct. We've had 6 consecutive months of bullish price action, candles closing near their highs. Currently, for this month of October, we are having I suppose it's considered an inside day. The candle is neither breaking the high or the low of the previous inside day, inside month. Yeah, we're in a monthly time frame. Inside month candle, we're currently not breaking the highs or the low of the previous month's candle. We don't look likely to anytime soon without a trend developing or a catalyst. So we're still in bearish territory on the monthly candle of October, but the overall trend is to the upside. We've had a low, a higher low, and we've had the 6 consecutive months of buying with prices closing near their highs. So if we go down to the weekly time frame, on this weekly time frame, you can see it a lot better. We've got a series of higher lows and bull flags forming and thrusting prices upwards. Currently, we do appear to have another bull flag forming. There has not been a lot of strong selling momentum in the market. I would interpret this strong selling momentum as being candles which are of a reasonable size closing near their lows. Instead, we've had a series of indecisive candles having wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside, small in size in terms of their bodies, indicating that the bears have not taken full control of this market, and they are acting a bit cautiously in relation to the bulls. So a retest of the 134, if this bull flag does play out, and 135.60 are our upside targets on the weekly time frame. So if I go to the daily time frame, not my favorite time frame at all, you can see here with prices have come up a long period of consolidation. Again, it's just come up a pretty long period of consolidation and retracement, and we are currently in another period of consolidation. We have seen the buying from the 31.70 level, but yeah, we're still in a bit of a consolidation, not really trending in relation to where we see prices currently. So since the 26th of September, we have not made significant highs or lows. So we do appear to be in a consolidation on the daily chart. So that should wrap up the analysis for Euro Yen. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.